I'm Dr. Peter Yan. I'm a neurologist here at Milton. I did my undergraduate studies in engineering at Boston University and then went on to finish med school there. And then after that, I did my postgraduate training, including a master's at Weill Cornell, so at New York Presbyterian in New York City. I did 2 fellowships, one in clinical informatics and one in clinical neurophysiology, which is the study of electrical problems in the brain. And those are the types of patient I would generally treat in addition to general neurology patients. I see all comers who are patients with neurological disorders, so that can include stroke, neuromuscular disorders. My subspecialty are disorders that involve the electrical functioning of the brain. So that would be folks who have seizures or epilepsy, or other conditions that might have provoked a seizure or epilepsy, such as folks who have brain tumors or previous head injury or strokes, for example. Healing itself is an art and medicine is a science. So to treat a patient, it sort of involves both. And both also involving teamwork between the provider and the patient. And my general philosophy along those lines is that we, one, try and make a definitive diagnosis of what the problem is. That can sometimes be difficult in neurology. And then we come up with both a short-term plan and a long-term plan for therapy. And that can involve either lifestyle modification, which I advise all of my patients to have, depending on their neurologic disease, choice of therapy, and then progressing all the way up to surgery. The one thing I do try and avoid in my patients is something called polypharmacy, where we over-medicate patients, and that coupled with behavioral changes in a lifestyle to provide a more holistic care for the patient. The best way to get an appointment with me would be call our Center for Specialty Care. Some of the primary care providers are also connected to our specialty care center, so they can refer you directly. But the easiest way is to call the center and they'll be able to set up an appointment with you.